Welcome. To apply for our rent-to-own homes program, you would first need to go under credit repair program page. Under this page, our credit repair program is designed to help you get your credit score up to a 620 so that you can purchase with no down payment. Under the credit repair program, you're entitled to up to a $1,000 refund after the credit program is complete. This program is required under the rent-to-own home program so that after 7 months you can repurchase that home. You would need to watch this video here to assist you with downloading your credit report under step 1. After you download your credit report to your computer, you would then upload it under step 2 here. Uploading your credit report is easy. You'll upload it under this tab here, make your $50 payment, and you'll go back to the website. After uploading your credit report and making your $50 payment, you'll then receive an email from us within 1 business day to go ahead to apply for the rent-to-own homes program. You would do it here under mortgage application. Once you get on this page, you would scroll down, apply here. Once you finish the application, that is it. That's that simple.